DJ
DjVicDonoso
DJ
𝐃𝐎𝐍𝐿 III.
broadcasting through the night.
Feel the rhythm, feel the light.
DJ
𝐃𝐎𝐍𝐿 III. Every evening when the stars align, your voice is shining through the skyline, bringing music to every heart. A brand new story is about to start.
The airwaves glow with melody, connecting dreams across the sea. From every town and every street, we move together with the beat.
Turn it up, let the feeling grow. Across the world, let everybody know. A voice of passion, strong and free.
Welcome to the radio family.
DjVicDonosoIII tonight, lighting up the radio light. Music, stories, voices unite, taking every dream in flight. DjVicDonosoIII on air, sending good vibes everywhere. From sunrise gold to midnight blue, this radio show belongs to you.
DjVicDonoso. DjVicDonoso.
Every message, every song we play brings a little sunshine to your day. Across the distance, near or far, we're all connected where we are.
The rhythm flows from town to town, turning every worry upside down. Together we can sing along,
United by the power of song.
DjDjDjDonoso.
The voice of the people,
The sound of the night.
feel the energy.
Feel the radio light.
DjVicDonosoIII tonight, guiding us with music and light. Every listener, every friend, the good vibrations never end. DjVicDonosoIII on air, sharing hope beyond compare. Turn the speakers loud and clear. Your favorite radio voice is here.